How to add multiple photos on Snapchat story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can add multiple photos on Snapchat story. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, now to get to your camera roll, tap on the picture icon from the bottom left corner. You will land in your memories. You can either choose the picture from your memories or you can go to your camera roll. For that, tap on the camera roll. Here, now you have to choose your picture. In order to choose multiple picture, you have to simply tap and hold on it. Now you will see this select multiple option. Now select multiple pictures that you would like to post in your Snapchat story. Once it's on, tap on the blue arrow or blue icon from the bottom right corner. Now you can simply tap on my story. And with that, all these pictures that you have selected will be added in your Snapchat story. So that's the way to add multiple photos on Snapchat story, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.